I really need to eat more vegetables. But vegetables can be so boring. What can I do to make vegetables better? Bacon! Bacon! Bacon makes everything better. So we're going to make a one-pot bacon and bean meal. This is a great side dish. You're going to love it with just about any other protein that you cook. First thing we're going to do is stick the beans into a skillet. Yes, we are steaming beans in a skillet. And then we're going to add some chicken stock to steam the beans with. Okay, and then a little bit of kosher salt and a lid. And in about 5 to 7 minutes, these are going to be steamed to perfection. So I'm going to kind of give them a check and see. They're still a little hard. Now, I like my beans soft, but not too soft, just a little bit firm. So can you have soft and firm at the same time? I'm going to say, yeah, you can. I'm going to let them cook for a little bit longer, which will probably be at about 10 minutes. So how long you steam your beans is going to be determined by how soft or hard you want your beans. Okay, they are perfectly soft yet still firm, so I am going to grab them out of the pan. These guys are going to hang out in the bowl. They're going to go back in eventually, but they're going to hang out in the bowl while we cook the bacon. As you can see, all the moisture has evaporated, so we're going to get some oil in here. I'm using some olive oil, and then I'm going to get the bacon in the pan. I'm going to turn my heat down a little bit. You're going to want to cook this at medium high, but because I'm in an RV on a propane stove that runs really, really hot, I've had to learn to cook a little bit lower because things just get too cooked too fast. And low temperature, there's not a low on here. It still boils things, but I'm adapting. So we're going to cook this bacon till it is not quite crispy. Bacon. Bacon makes, I swear, everything better. Okay, so we're about 75 to 80% cooked, so I've got some crispy edges on it. A lot of the fat has been rendered out, so now I am going to get the shallot in and the garlic. Mix that around. I'm going to turn this down considerably. You're not going to cook this for too long. You just want to sweat the shallot and make the garlic fragrant. So now for the final step, the beans go back in the pan. I'm mixing them up to coat them in the delicious bacony goodness that is in this pan right now, and to distribute the onions as well. You don't need to cook very long, you're just distributing. As a matter of fact, I'm going to turn my heat off. And there you go. Easy, delicious bacon green beans, one pot meal. We use one pot as much as we can here in the RV because we don't have as much space. So usually I would take the beans and I would steam them, and then I would cook the bacon and I'd put them together. But now we only have one pot. Okay, time to go in. I've got the fork. I'm going to get a piece of bacon. Oh, beans are so much better with bacon. You're going to agree. When you make this, you're going to agree. Thank you so much for watching. A link to the full recipe will be in the description below, or you can go to gfxexplorers.com and you can find it there. If you haven't subscribed, please do. That would really help us out. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And until next time, happy eating.